Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Gecko. So we've entered the second module about fundamental research. Now I will explain the factors that play a crucial in fundamental research. Basically, how do you conduct fundamental research? In the previous module, I explained that the basis of fundamental research is information derived from data, and there are several pieces of information that you need to process and manage to make a solid foundation for your fundamental research: tokenomics, developers, and community. So, what is tokenomics? Tokenomics stands for token economics, or how tokens are run. What purpose tokens serve? Their intrinsic value affects their demand and supply, because tokenomics is a copy-paste or embodiment of the intrinsic value of a project. So if the tokenomics is poor, it means its intrinsic value is also poor, and its value is also poor. So it's not suitable for buying fundamentally. But if, for example, the tokenomics are good, it means its intrinsic value and its value is also good. So it's suitable for you to hold or buy. It is as simple as you guys see financial reports from companies when investing in stock. This is similar, right? So you guys look at what it is like when the tokenomics is good. It means it is worth investing in. Basically, the crypto projects, as I always explain, are like companies, like attached companies. When its intrinsic value is higher than its market value, it means it is a project worth buying because it is undervalued. For example, its value should be $100, but let's say it's only $10 in the market. It means it has the potential to increase tenfold, meaning you have a tenfold chance to double your assets in the token you want to buy. So, don't equate the market price with progress or value, because that's often the case. The price is an illusion. You guys might panic when you see the price of Ethereum go down during a bear market. But if we look at it in terms of progress or value, Ethereum is on par with the tech companies. So, Ethereum's revenue over the past 7 years is the same as Meta, or the same as Zoom, the same as Microsoft, the same as Adobe, and various other elite companies. So Ethereum revenues business model generates high profit, right? So its economics is very good, but there's a misconception because the price is down 60% from the peak. You guys think this Ethereum's downfall, but it is not. So don't misinterpret the market value with intrinsic value. Ethereum's intrinsic value is very good, guys. If you look at Ethereum's market capitalization, it is still very small compared to companies like Microsoft, even though its revenue over the past 7 years has been on par, meaning technologically and in terms of the company, Ethereum's value is high and on par with these giants. So from the perspective of other cryptocurrency projects, Ethereum is still number one. So its fees, the gas fees produced by Ethereum, are still the highest. Second is Tron, maybe because there are many transactions of USDT between exchanges using the Tron network because it's the fastest and the most efficient. Then we talk about the developers. What are developers? Developers are the ones building the project or token. They are the builders, the architect. They are the ones who design this project until it becomes reality. And even in the modern era, developers not only build houses, but they also market this project. So there's a marketing function there. So in the crypto space, there are two types of developers. First, anonymous developers. Second, dox developers. These anonymous developers are those who don't know who developed it. For example, who's anonymous? Shiba Inu? Its year is Satoshi, but they don't know. Then the developers are PP. There are also anonymous. Even Bitcoin's developer, Satoshi Nakamoto, is also not known for sure. But the second one is those who blocks the Vini, those who are transparent. Many good project have unknown developers because the main consensus in crypto is self-custody, and the second is anonymity. Actually, anonymity is not wrong. Remember, in the cryptocurrency market, because it's for every player in the Web3 industry. So the role of developers are, first, they build the project. So from programming to the project can be enlarged and both on decentralized and centralized exchanges. Second, they can make improvements and add features. So over time, this can be added to that. It can be built into this application, or maybe it can be built into this wallet. For example, it is a form of continuous improvement done by developers. Then third, ensuring this project is safe from cybersecurity attacks, because often these projects are hacked because hackers can exploit system exploits that may still be able to enter. So it's very important for these developers to ensure that this project is safe from cyber attacks. Then fourth, ensuring the continuity of a community and shooting. So the one who becomes glue for this company to stay strong together is the developer. So this developer has a key role in marketing activities. Let's talk about the community. So what is the community? The community is those who invest directly or indirectly and also continue to support the sustainability of this project. So the community is people who hang out every day on Telegram, hang out on Discord, even though maybe they don't buy much, but every day they are in there, chatting, and chatting. So there it is. That's their loyal community. Typically, they are loyal. What is typical loyal? So when someone attacks their project on Twitter, they're finished, they're done. They'll definitely defend it to the death. That's the function of the community. So why is the community important? So one community is a natural buzzer. So when they've bought, they're selling backs on Twitter. So because they're investing, they're anonymous on Twitter, they're also promoting this project every day. So it's free buzzing. The more buzzers, the more free marketing promotions. Second, the possibility that they're inviting new members to invest, so directly moving the price. And third, community is the one to monitor. So if there's a schedule error on the roadmap, this community is the one who's always like, oh, where are you? Why is it like this? Why is this lacking? We should be like this. That's the function of the community monitoring the developer. Then there are various kinds of communities in crypto. If it's Bitcoin, it's called Bitcoiner, or it could also be called the laserized community in Bitcoin. Then XRP, there's also XRP Army. This form is like the follower. There's also, if it's Ethereum Maxi, so every community has its own name to support their favorite coin. So this is similar to a cult. These friends are like cults, basically. These meme communities tend to be irrational because they marry the bike. I don't want you guys to be like that. Why? Because basically we are here looking for profit, not so the community member is cool at the beginning to convince you to buy it and hold, but at a certain point when you have to sell. There's nothing wrong with taking profit, because here you're looking for money, not looking for friends. That's why there's the term the greatest fool theory. So things can always go up because there's another stupid person who wants to buy at a higher price. So what I want you guys to be as a contrarian is to see a large community as exit liquidity. Not to teach you guys like pump and dump, but you guys have to enter first in every new project. You guys see, wow, The more people who enter, it means the bets you guys have invested in are higher. The higher it will skyrocket because there's the greatest full theory because you guys are smart. You guys are contrarians. You guys have entered first. Okay? Anyone want to buy? Okay, this is mine. Please take it. I take profit. That's enough for me. Okay guys, maybe that's it for today. See you in the next video.